Supplications for when you wake up. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله الذي أحيانا بعدما أماتنا وإليه النشور. Praise is to Allah who brings us life after He has brought us death, and unto Him is the return. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahillazi afani fi jasadi wa radda alayya ruhi wa azina li bizikrihi. Praise is to Allah who gave strength to my body and returned my soul to me and permitted me to remember Him. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.